Hello friends, welcome to my channel Banking Aspirants. Today we'll discuss alphanumeric series. Okay, from this we are getting 5 questions. Alphanumeric series is 3 types. First one is alphabet series. Okay, let me see the different types of questions of alphabet series. Okay, take the first question. Here AC, FH, KM, PR. Difference between A and C is +2. Okay. Difference between F and H is +2. Okay. KLM +2 and PQR +2. Okay. And here also we should maintain difference 2 +2. VZ, okay, VX, VW, TV, none of these. Okay, we should find +2 difference here. V and Z. Here W and X and Y. 3 is there. So difference is +4. Here V and X. Here minus difference is there. In backward direction is there. Okay. VW. Here 0. Sorry. +1. Okay. Here TUV. Here +2. But here between A and F we have a difference +3. B, C, D, E. Sorry. +4. Okay. B, C, D, E. Here F and K, G, H, I, J +4. K and P +4. Next letter will be difference +4. P, Q, R, S, T. Next letter will be U. Okay. Then +2. V, W. UW is the answer for this question. So UW is there. Here VW is there. So none of these is the correct answer. Okay. Coming to next question. AY, BX, CW, DV. What will be the question mark? Here A and Y. A, B, C, D. Next letter will be E. Okay. Here V, W, X, Y. So before V, what is that? U. Okay. U is the right answer. Okay. Next question. A, C, F, H, K, M, P, R, U, W. This is a alphabet series. Okay. Here A, B, C. We have +2. B and C. Okay. Next C, D, E, F +3. G, H +2. I, J, K +3. L, M +2. So here we can observe +2 and +3 sequence is following. So directly write +2, +3, +2, +3. W, X, Y, Z. Okay. A is the right answer. Okay. Next, let me see the number series. Okay. This is the number series. First question. If 1 is added to the last digit of the each of the numbers, in how many numbers then formed will be the last digit be a perfect square. Okay. If 1 is added to the last digit of the each number. Okay. 3, 4, 7. After adding 1, 5 becomes 6. Next digit 2, 7, 9, 2. 6, 4, 5, 8 becomes 9. 1, 8, 2, 6 becomes 7. 7, 5, 8, 3 becomes 4. After changing, how many numbers thus formed will be the last digit be a perfect square. 6 is not perfect square. 2, no. 9, 9 is a perfect square. And 7, no. 4 is a perfect square. Okay, 2 numbers are formed will be a last digit be a perfect square. Okay, answer is C. Okay, next question. If the first and third digit of each of the numbers are interchanged, what will be the sum of the third digit of the lowest number and the third digit of the highest number? Okay, here if the first and third digit of the each numbers are interchanged, first and third digit, okay, 7, 4, 3, 5. I am changing first and third digit places. In this next number 9, 7, 2, 1. 5, 4, 6, 8. 2, 8, 1, 6. And 8, 5, 7, 3. Okay. These are the digits after changing the first and the third digit. Okay. Then what will be the sum of the third digit of the lowest number? Lowest number is 2816. What is the third digit of it? 1. And the third digit of the highest number? Highest number is 9721. What is the third digit of highest number? 2. Then the sum of these 1 plus 2, 3. So option A is the right answer. Okay. Third question. What will be the resultant if the second digit of the highest number is subtracted from the third digit of the second lowest number? Okay. Second digit of the highest number. Highest number is 7483. Second digit of highest number is 5. And subtracted from the third digit of the second lowest number. First lowest number is 1826 and second lowest number is 2791. What is the third digit of 2791? 9. Okay, this 5 is subtracted from 9. So resultant value will be 4. Okay, so resultant value is 4. Option C is the right answer. Okay. Fourth question. If all the digits in each of the numbers are arranged in descending order from left to right within the number, which of the following will be the sum of all the 4 digits of the number which is third highest in the new arrangement? Okay. If all the digits in each of numbers are arranged in descending order. Okay. Within the digit only 7, 5, 4, 3. Next one 9, 7, 2, 1. 8, 6, 5, 4. 8, 6, 2, 1. Next number is 8, 7, 5, 3. Okay. After arranging, what will be the sum of the all 4 digits of the number which is third highest? Okay. What is the third highest? First and second and third. This is the third highest. Then sum of all 4 digits of the number. Okay. 8 plus 6 14, 14 plus 5 19, 19 plus 4 23. Okay. Answer is 23. D is the right answer. Okay. Next question. If in each number the first and the last digits are interchanged. Okay. First and last digits are interchanged. 5, 4, 7, 3. 1, 7, 9, 2. 8, 4, 5, 6. 6, 8, 2, 1. 3, 5, 8, 7. Which of the following will be the second lowest number? First lowest and second lowest. 3, 5, 8, 7. Okay. Second lowest number is 3, 5, 8, 7. That is 7, 5, 8, 3. E is the right answer. In part of alpha numerical series, we have miscellaneous series. Okay. In this series, we have combination of numbers, letters and symbols. Okay. Here, take the question as example. Study the following arrangements. Okay. This is the miscellaneous series. First question is, which of the following digit symbol is second to the right of the 10th from the left hand? Okay. First step is, we should write question in short way. Second to the right. I am writing here. Second to the right. Okay. Of the 10th from the left hand. 10th from the left hand. Okay. In previous session, we'll discuss directions are opposite. We should add. So, I am adding here. Okay. Second right plus 10th left equals to 12. And direction should be last direction in the question. What is that? Left hand. So, I am taking 12th left. Okay. 3, 3, 6, 3, 9, 3, 12. What is the 12th left? Element 5. Okay. C is the right answer. Okay. Next question. How many symbols are there in the above arrangement, each of which is immediately followed by a perfect square? Here, how many symbols are there? Okay. First, concentrate on symbols. Okay. Then, each of which is immediately followed. Followed in the sense, next element. Okay. Perfect square, which is immediately followed by a perfect square. Dollar symbol is followed by a perfect square value. Okay. Perfect square value. How many are there? See the sequence. First, concentrate on symbols. Here, beta is there. 1 is also perfect square. Beta is followed by perfect square. Okay, I am writing here beta 1. Next, 8, 6. 6 is not perfect square. Hash, I 9. 9 is a perfect square. Okay. Here, 2 are there. How many symbols are there? 2. Option is B. Okay. This is the way of finding the elements in the arrangement. Coming to next question. That is third one. If all the even digits are deleted from the above arrangement, which of the following will be 9th from the right end of the arrangement? Here, in this series, they are asking delete all the even digits. Okay. Then, which of the following will be 9th from the right end? After deleting even numbers in the above series, what is the 9th right element? Okay, no need to write series again in the exam. Simply, we know the even numbers. Okay, neglect them when counting. Okay, 9th right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 is even number. Neglect it. 7, 4 is even number. Neglect it. 6 even number. 8, 9. Okay. From the 9th right, the element is 3. Okay. After deleting even numbers. Answer is B. Okay. This is the way of finding the elements in the above arrangement. Okay. Next question. How many perfect squares are there in the above arrangement, each of which is immediately preceded by an even number. Followed in the sense next one. Preceded in the sense before one. Okay. How many perfect squares are there? Square in the above arrangement, each of which is immediately preceded by even number. Okay. Here should be even number. Even number and perfect square. We should find the arrangement. Even number 4 is perfect square. Okay. Even number 8 is not perfect square. 8 even, not perfect square. Even number symbol. Even number perfect square. Even number and odd number. Okay, no one is there. 24, 64. 2 are the numbers. So answer is B. Okay. Fifth question. If all the symbols are dropped from the above arrangement, which of the following will be the 12th from the right end of the above arrangement? Okay. Symbols will be dropped. Then which of the following will be 12th right? Okay. We should eliminate the symbols when counting from 12th right. Okay. Counting from right side and neglecting the symbols. Here symbol is there. Okay, neglect it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. From the 12th right, element is 5. Okay. After counting, 5 is the 12th right from the above arrangement when neglecting the symbols. So option is 5. A is the right answer. Take the next question. Series, and first question from this series is, how many such symbols are there in the above arrangement, each of which is immediately preceded by a consonant and not immediately followed by a vowel? Okay. First, symbols. They are asking for symbols. And each of which is immediately preceded by a consonant. Okay. Before should be a consonant and not immediately followed by a vowel. Means should not follow vowel. Okay. It can be number or symbol or consonant. Not should be vowel. Okay. Look at series. Consonant, symbol. Here we have symbol before number. Symbol, consonants, number. Okay. This is one combination. R, 8, 4. Okay. Next, concentrate on symbol. Symbol, consonant, Q. Q is not a vowel. B, C, Q. Next, symbol, number. Here, no chance. We have 2. How many such symbols means 2? Answer is C. Okay. Next question. 4 of the following 5 are alike in a certain way on the basis of their positions in the above arrangement, and so form a group. Which is the one that does not belong to that group? Okay. From these options, 4 are arranged in same pattern. One is different. Okay. We should find the different one. Okay. Look at the options. E at percentile. Okay. E at percentile. E plus 2. E plus 2 percentile. E at E at plus 2. And percentile is minus 1. Okay, plus 2 E and percentile minus 1. Okay, this minus 1 is belongs to E. Next one, hash 7 8, hash 7 8, this is also plus 2 minus 1. 5 E J, 5 E J, this is also plus 2 minus 1, same pattern. Okay, fourth option is U6 percentile. Okay, this is also plus 2 minus 1. Next one, we no need to check, definitely this is the right answer. QKB, QK plus 1, B minus 2. So this pattern is arranged in different way. So this is the different one. This is not belongs to this particular group. This is the right answer. Okay, coming to third question. How many such vowels are there in the above arrangement, each of which is immediately preceded by a symbol and immediately followed by a number? Okay, how many vowels are there? Next, each of which is immediately preceded by a symbol. Okay, before should be symbol and immediately followed by a number. Followed by next is number. Okay, this pattern we should check. So concentrate on symbol first. Symbol, vowel, symbol, vowel and number, no. Symbol, number, no. Symbol, vowel, consonant, sorry, symbol, consonant, consonant, no. Symbol, vowel, number. Okay, here no one is there, so none is the right answer. Next question, what will come in place of question mark in the following series based on the above arrangement? Okay, TL8. Okay, TL8. Okay, L is relation in minus 1 and 8 is plus 1. Okay, hash 8I minus 1 plus 1. Okay, 7IF minus 1 plus 1. Okay, next term will be, here we have a relation minus 1 plus 1. What about this starting number 7 hash T? T hash 7. Okay, these are plus 1. Okay, T hash and 7. Next term will be J. J minus 1 is F and plus 1 is 5. J F 5. D is the right answer. Okay, last question from this series. Which of the following is 7th to the right of 13th from the right? Okay, I am writing first short way, 7th right and 13th right. Okay, here we have same directions. Okay, we should subtract. Always subtract small value from big value. Okay, 13 minus 7, 6. Take the direction as right. 6th right from the above series. Okay, 6th right, 3, 3, 6. 1 is the right answer. 6th right element in the above sequence is series is 1. Option 1 is right answer. Okay. Okay. Take the next example. This is the sequence. And first question is, how many such symbols are there in the above arrangement, each of which is immediately preceded by a vowel and also immediately followed by a number? Okay, how many such symbols are there? Okay, concentrate on symbols. Next, each of which is immediately preceded by vowel. Before should be vowel. And also immediately followed by a number. Next is number. Vowel, symbol, number. Check in the series. First, find out vowels. A. Next symbol is not there. E, J, no. I, symbol, number not there. Okay. Vowel, symbol, number. Only one is there. Okay. U, symbol and number. Vowel, symbol and number. Okay. Only one combination is there. Answer is B. Okay. Next question. 4 of the 5 like in a certain way on the basis of their positions in the above arrangement, and so form a group. Which is the one that does not belong to the group? Okay. We should find the one which is not belongs to group. Okay. K41. First option is K41. K4 and 1. Okay. 4 is plus 2 and 1 is minus 2. Next, star H F. Okay. Star and plus 2 H and minus 2 F. Okay. Next option, hash B5. Hash B5. Plus 2 and minus 1. Okay. This is the, no need to check another options, plus 2 minus 2 plus 2 minus 2. This is different from others. Okay. C is the different one that not belongs to particular group. Okay. C is the right answer. Okay. Next question. How many such numbers are there in the above arrangement, each of which is immediately followed by a symbol and also immediately preceded by a consonant? Okay. First condition is how many numbers are there. Okay. Concentrate on numbers. Next, each of which is immediately followed by a symbol. Okay. Next element should be symbol and also immediately preceded by a consonant. Okay. Should be consonant. Okay. Consonant, number and symbol. Constant, number and symbol. D5 hash. Next one, consonant, number and symbol. B1 percentile. Okay. Next, consonant, symbol. Consonant, number, symbol. Okay. F3 star. Next, vowel. Vowel. Okay. These three are the resultant arrangement from the given series. Okay. Option D is the right answer. Okay. Next question. What will come in place of question mark in the following series based on the above arrangement? Okay. A hash D. A hash D. Okay. Here A2 hash minus 1 and A2D minus 3. Okay. Next one, dollar K1 minus 1 minus 3. 3FE minus 1 minus 3. Here in between the series we are finding minus 1 and minus 3 relation. What about this A dollar and 3? A dollar and 3. Okay. We have 4 elements in between. Okay. After 3, eliminate 4 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Next one is 8. Next minus 1, that is I, and minus 3, that is 2. 8I 2. Here we got 8 I2 in place of question mark. Okay, A is the right answer. Okay friends, this is our today's session. In this session we discussed all types of alphanumeric series, basic level. Okay, from this you will get an idea of alphanumeric series. Okay, practice different types of questions. We can easily clear any exam regarding competitive. Thank you for watching my videos. Please like if you like the video. Okay.